Well, speaking of media figures who have a distant relationship with the truth, on his June 23rd program, Fox's Bill O'Reilly gave viewers a lesson in, well, something.
So why is this happening? Well, it all boils down to political philosophy. President Obama is a liberal guy who believes the Fed should run the economic show, and he hired advisors who believe that as well. The administration then set out to fight the recession by spending government money, the so-called stimulus. That ran up trillions of dollars of debt. Historically, the way out of recessions is to give the private sector lower tax rates and reward people, businesses, for hiring other people. But the Obama administration has resisted that.
Of course, this is the same Barack Obama who declared, quote, "I am a pro-growth free market guy. I love the market," close quote. It's a pretty strange sentiment for a supposed economic nationalist. But seriously, who does O'Reilly think are Obama's left-wing economic advisors? Larry Summers? The stimulus package, a mix of spending and tax cuts, cost around $787 billion. The Congressional Budget Office estimates its 10-year cost will be slightly higher, around $820 billion, which is still miles away from trillions. And the deficit debt problems that O'Reilly is concerned with are due primarily to the George Bush tax cuts, the recession, and the Iraq-Afghan wars. Few would argue that the spending associated with economic recovery plays any major role. As for lower corporate tax rates, lots of business folks would love to pay less, sure. But if O'Reilly thinks history shows that lowering those tax rates is the way out of a recession, he must be getting his history from the same place he gets his economics.